Hi everyone, welcome to another journal video. Finally back here. So I'm gonna use again my Zen Art Journals book. So we are gonna find the next page available, and every time that I'm kind of opening this book, I like so much what we did so far, and every time I'm scared to do the next page, the next project that is gonna be kind of ruin the whole book. But yeah, let's hope that it's gonna be not this case. Anyway, so I'm gonna prepare some paper on the side of the page. So in this way I'm gonna use some spray, distress oxide ink, and I don't want that the color is gonna go to other pages, so I'm trying to be careful, although it went on the other side of the page. So when you do those kind of stuff, even if you have a very thick page, it's better to leave one page in between the two projects empty. So I'm gonna use first color is Mermaid Lagoon I think, and it's anyways the dark blue that I have, and I'm gonna just spray here and there and not matter about the edge, because I really want to have the look of the spray of the color into the page, because that's the idea of the page. It's really a person popping up from the page and spray a lot of color all around, a kind of renew person. That's how I feel for the moment. So I'm gonna take this person that I found on the magazine. The reason why I choose her is just because she has that ends on top of the head, and I was cutting with the scissor and then roughly remove the edge with my finger on the water side. Then I'm gonna put another distress oxide ink. This time I'm gonna use wild honey. I was waiting that the background was completely dry, and then putting another color. Although even if you put the distress ink, basically you reactivate each other. They are reactivating each other, but I prefer to have a dried layer. And then I was putting also some peacock feather spray. Then I decided I wanted more color, so I was adding some yellow mild acrylic in just a cup, and after that I was doing the same with rosé color, and then in the end with primary blue. So I was adding a lot of water, so to have really liquid, and then I was having fun basically, doing some splashes into the page, and then really moving the really wet brush into the page, and that was really satisfying, I will say. I wanted to have really an easy project to restart with, because I had a lot of idea of things to do after coming back from vacation, that by the way was in July, and now we are October. I can't believe that we're already in October. But I didn't have energy, to be honest. I really didn't have energy to do any project at all, because work was stressful, and in the weekend and Friday that I'm off, I was basically just lay down on the couch and trying to recover and trying to find energy back. But I want to start again, to make content for this channel. Also, I was answering some of your comments, and just to say, yes, I will be back soon, and never happened. But now finally I'm here. I'm not so sure if I will be able for October to post one video a week, but we will come there back. I'm most probably in November I will be able to do it again, one video a week. And again, the reason is because I was really stressed for my job at work, and although I'm not working on Friday, so I'm usually doing some art project on Friday, I was really tired basically, so I was really laid down on the couch the whole time, just watching movie, doing nothing else basically. But now I'm back. So after doing all those splashes that were really satisfying, I needed some distress time, and for me, when I think about distress time, I need to do some doodling basically. So I was waiting that all the page was dry, everything was dry, and then I just take my Mincho pigment liner. I think is 0.5 or 0.6 size this time. So let's go very close. And basically what I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna use that pen and go all around the major splashes and just have wiggling border highlighter here and there. I'm kind of doing mainly the one that I have, the big splash that I had on the bottom of the page. I'm not gonna bother about the small one, but anyway, I think I like the definition, to put some definition on those splashes, and I really need kind of distress time, and for me doodling is really distress time. So I was kind of taking my time, going all around the splashes, some big, some small, trying to find a shape there, and just going around that. And I think this is a really good distress activity to do it. Oh, if I needed some distress, of course I need some distress. By the way, I was really missing so much you guys, all of you, and yeah, every time that I saw a comment and then I was answering, I will be back soon with a new video, new content, because I had a lot of idea, but then it never happened. So sorry about that. And finally we are in October. I mean, I missed the whole Inktober that I wanted to do so badly this time, but yeah, we'll get better. And by the way, this is how it went, basically the full page. So now I'm gonna focus on the quote, because to me, you know me, I mean, if you know me, every page needs to have a quote for me. It's kind of motivation that will, because when I look back on the page, reading at the quote will give me some feeling of what I was thinking or feeling on that moment. So the quote of today is simple. It's just saying it's okay to take time and be recharged, because that is basically the full point of this page. And I'm so sorry that the video maybe is not perfect, the voiceover is not perfect. It took me so much time to remember how to redo all those stuff, but I will get better soon, no worry. It's just time will prove it, as always. So I'm just gonna put some word first with the fine marker, and then I'm going back with the thicker marker, with the brush marker. And since I was having all fun, having all the wiggling border in the doodling part of the exercise, I decided to have also wiggling quote. And that's basically, I'm just taking my time to go around to go again back and rewrite the quote, wiggling even more. And that's basically the page, and it's really quick and easy to make. And if you are tired and you need some art as well to get you feel better, this is a good start. So I hope that you had fun watching me, and I will be back soon with another fun video. Hopefully I will be able to make something for Halloween, but yeah, see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.